My name is Sri Shah and I'm an attorney at Paul Padda Law. I decided to go to law school because I grew up in Jackson Heights, Queens. I grew up with immigrant parents and I wanted to make a difference in people's lives. I was terrible in science and mathematics, so I had to choose a profession that could use my skills in the English language. I always thought I wrote well, so I thought law school was the way to go. I've been practicing for over 30 years in different states, and I moved to Las Vegas in 1998, and I started my career in Vegas working for insurance defense firms. I did insurance defense for about 22 years, and after 22 years of doing that, I decided that I needed to switch sides. I decided to do plaintiffs work because I felt that I could make a big difference in people's lives. And the law firm of Paul Padda gave me the opportunity to do that. The best advice I could give somebody who is suffering from a personal injury would be to get a good law firm to represent you. I believe that at Paul Padda Law we do a really good job of representing our clients because we evaluate the files, we look at their medical treatment, we look at the overall circumstances that the client is in, and we see how best we can help them. With my 22 years of insurance defense experience, I feel that I add to the case by evaluating how an insurance company thinks on the other side and what exactly they're thinking with respect to the facts presented to them. The one case that stands out in my mind where I believe that I have made a difference is a case that I recently settled. 3 claimants were injured in an accident, and one of the claimants was working in housekeeping at one of the big casinos in Las Vegas, Nevada. This was a bad accident, and I was able to negotiate a really good settlement for him, and it was really nice to see at the end of the case how grateful he was, and told me that the settlement money that we gave him at the end of the case really made a big difference in his life, because now he could maybe change professions and look for a job that didn't involve doing manual labor, as he had severe issues with his back and his knees. So I felt like that was one of the cases where I felt rewarded. The one thing that I would like the clients to know about me is that I'm a very caring person. I am very detail-oriented. I look at every fact in the case, and I analyze everything about the case, and I always do my best to get the best number for the client, whether it's a $5,000 settlement or a $5 million settlement. I pay the same amount of attention to the details of the case, and I really care about my clients. I think that's what I would like my clients to know about me. I enjoy the people at Paul Padda Law. I have a great relationship with the staff here. I have a great relationship with my case managers. Paul is pretty cool also. He's a nice boss, lets me do whatever I want. I get away with a lot, which is great. But most of all, the people here are really, really nice. They care about the clients. They work really, really hard to get the best results for the clients. And I love it here.